In this video, I'll be explaining how you can use Pomofocus and a Pomodoro Timer for more effective time management. So a Pomodoro Timer is a specific timer that has different intervals with short breaks and long breaks. So a typical Pomodoro Timer has a 25-minute working period with a 5-minute short break, and then after 4 of these intervals, you would get a longer break, typically for around 15 minutes. So with this, you can change the timings, you can change different features, you can add tasks. So this helps plan out exactly what you want to accomplish throughout the day and how you want to work on it. So for example, if I want to add a tasks, so the first task I want to add would be science homework. And I'm assuming that this will probably take like 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to do 2 Pomodoros because I'm doing 25-minute intervals. And then I can add any notes if I want to and talk about exactly what I want to do, like download PDF, edit, work on poster, take picture, submit to Schoology. So that can just help me with exactly what I want to do. And then I might say math homework. And then I might be like, okay, math homework is probably going to take 25 minutes. That's 1 Pomodoro. And then after that, I might be like, okay, I've got really less English and history homework, so I'm going to put ELA/history just because it's easier to get them done together in 1 Pomodoro. And I can add a note like 15-minute ELA and 10-minute history. So basically, I can add as many tasks as I need to. And after this will also tell me how long, like how many I'll need, and then when I'll be able to finish with my different Pomodoros. And then if I want to add some more tasks, for example, I can add as many as I need, and I can use the settings feature to change anything I want to. So if I find that it's better for me to work with 50 minutes and then a 10-minute short break, and then I think that after every 2 intervals, so after 2 hours, I should get a long break of 30 minutes. I can do that too. And I can automatically start breaks so that as soon as the timer is done, it'll ring and then I'll start the break for my break. And then lastly, I can also change some other features if I want to, such as dark mode and color themes and notifications and other things that I want. And then once tasks are done, I can mark them as completed. And then I can always look down for an estimate of when I'll be able to finish with all of my work. So therefore, Pomodoro is a great timer that can be used for better time management, especially when there's a lot of work to do. And even if you're working in another tab, you can always look and it'll show the amount of time you have left. So the tab will always be like, okay, I'm working on math homework and I have this much more time left. So it'll always be there in the corner in case you want to refer to it. And lastly, the website that this can be accessed at is pomofocus.io, POMOFOCUS.io, and that's all. Thank you.